Welcome to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Victoria Mutual Investments has increased the size of its latest public bond offer after the issue attracted strong demand from investors. The company says applications totaled approximately 4.8 billion Jamaican dollars, making the offer 20% oversubscribed. As a result, Victoria Mutual Investments exercised its option to increase the size of the offer from the original 4 billion to 4.8 billion, allowing all successful applicants to receive the full amount they applied for. The company says investors in both tranches who submitted completed applications by the July 17 deadline will receive 100% of their subscriptions. The 25-month Tranche A raised approximately $2.71 billion, while the 43-month Tranche B attracted about $2.08 billion. Successful applications will receive confirmation of their allotments through their brokers. For the trading period of August 5, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Jamaica Highway Limited with 11,057,816 units, representing 27.83% of market sales. Wigton Energy Limited with 6,579,541 units, representing 16.56% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited shares with 5,195,217 units, representing 13.08% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 5, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.48 and buying at $157.90. Moderate gains from the Canadian dollar supported a 36-cent transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.09 and was bought for $113.73. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.61 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.91 and was bought for $213.30. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, if we want more entrepreneurs, we need to start talking about credit. Every year, thousands of professionals dream of leaving their jobs to start a business. Many have the skills, the experience, and the vision. What they often lack is financial readiness. A business idea may create opportunity, but a strong credit profile can create access. Access to financing, access to equipment, access to working capital, access to growth. Too often we treat credit as a consumer issue instead of an entrepreneurial one. Imagine if employers, HR leaders, financial institutions, and business support organizations viewed credit education as part of entrepreneurship development. Employees would be better prepared to transition into business ownership, and more startups would begin with a stronger financial foundation. In our Funded and Focused feature, entrepreneurs often ask, how do I make my business stand out to lenders? A few years ago, having a great idea was enough to start the conversation. Today, AI has changed the playing field. Anyone can create a business plan, marketing strategy, or financial forecast with a few prompts. The real differentiator isn't how polished your documents look. It's how prepared you are to run the business behind them. Your financial records, customer traction, cash flow, leadership, and ability to execute are what inspire confidence. AI can help you build a presentation. Only you can build the business. That's the difference between looking investment ready and being investment ready. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.